Today unboxing is on the initial model Nismo R34 Z-Tune for the Nismo model car collection. Unlike the others regular release, this R34 is available at the Nismo Festival and also Nissan online shop in Japan. I will also feature the Z-Tune Go R34 shortly in Tarmac Works exclusive color. And now let's take a closer look at the Nismo R34 in silver. Similar to the rest of the Nismo model car collection series, it comes in a large Nissan Group barcode sticker and the whole package is enclosed with a standard wrapper. You can see the label Nismo R34 GTR Z-Tune and the color is in silver. Wow, I really like the whole presentation. And the R34 in silver is very simple, very nice, simplicity is the best, and it looks so much better against the brushed metal background and also the carbon fiber strip. First impression, it looks very premium and very presentable. You can see the standard metal engraving, initial model logo, as well as the Z-Tune label. The casting itself is very clean with superior details. I really like the rear. You can see the finishing for the rear light is superb. The standard skyline logo and also the Z-Tune car plate, which is very sharp. Although the interior is in single color, it's also very detailed as well from my eyes. I really like the standard rim that goes along with the whole casting, simple and yet presentable. The front is also very impressive and finished as well, true to the brand of initial model in precision 1/64 scale. Wow, I'm impressed, the front row is superb. But on the rear, it's different thing altogether, it's stuck. It took me a while that the model car can't roll, it's only for display and also for photography. But still, I would prefer very much for them to roll. In conclusion, I'm very impressed with this initial model R34 GTR. Simple and yet quality finishing which is true to its brand. And I must really thank my buddy from Japan who secured this casting for me as a Christmas gift. This Tarmac Works Porsche RWB 930 is a random giveaway to my subscribers who actively comment, like and share my videos in this channel. I will pick the lucky subscriber in the beginning of 2020. So be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!